top of the head. Oh! The one in the back when I was turning around hurt so bad. Are you filming?
See the top of the head. Don't move. Quit moving. Yes.
Oh, God. I don't think that one exploded. It hit me right there. Ow. There, stop. This is why I got rid of the shield. Right there. Right through the back there. That's good.